Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a shirt by Hardaddy, and this comes vacuum compressed, so when I open it up, it just feels bigger, which is cool. And this is it here. It's a nice looking shirt, and it's a long sleeve one with the stripes and stuff. You can see it up close. It looks really nice quality. It's got some wrinkles in it because I just opened it up just a second ago. But let's check this out. Let me open up the button here and I will put this on for you. I got a size large and I am about 190 pounds, but actually let's look and see if we have what it's made of. Here, I'll read you that first before I put it on. We have 100% cotton, so this is all cotton. So you can either press it probably to make it flat, send it into the cleaners, or like I do, I will be putting it in the wash and the dryer and then taking it out soon after. But let's put this on here and I'll show you guys how it looks on me. So, because I am doing it the quick way. Oh man, this is the perfect fit. Okay, so this is the shirt here. I mean, I'll button it up a little bit here, more than I might normally, but you get an idea of it. It's got a size large, and it's got the two buttons, the button here on the sleeve here, and then it's got the ones to make it tighter, so you can have a tight cuff if you like it, or a slightly looser one if you prefer that. I don't know, I go back and forth, I guess, on how I like it like that. As far as the length goes of the arms, it's pretty good. I can put my arms sideways, and it's right about there. If I put them forward, of course, it's gonna go that way. And then down at the side, it goes to right about my palm. I don't know, can you see my palm there? And it's got that kind of, the style where it's up and down. It's not completely straight across. So, the tuck-in style or leave it out. I think now people just kind of leave them untucked for the most part. It's got a nice pocket in it here. It actually looks really good. I mean, I just took it out of the bag, a minute ago, and already some of the wrinkles are already starting to come out, I guess just on the heat of my body. So it's looking really nice, and it's a nice looking shirt. I'm gonna say this is it. This is what it looks like on a 5'10", 190-pound guy, and I like this shirt. Really good, really comfortable. I love the Hardaddy stuff. I mean, all their stuff is really good. And I have a button here I didn't do at the bottom, so it goes way down the buttons. So it's good, and it's got a button up top, so if I was to wear a tie or something, I could even close that up as well. Actually, I can even breathe with it, so it's kind of nice. Usually it might not have a big ass neck, but you get the idea. Very cool. Very nice shirt. Thumbs up for sure.